Hello, it's Subhabrata here. I am a regular electrical engineer with irregular ideas. I have been making projects in the field of robotics, IoT, electronics and DIY stuffs for the last 4 years. And I upload YouTube videos weekly in my YouTube channel. And here are some videos of my project that I previously made. If you are interested in this kind of stuff, then make sure you subscribe to my channel circuiTician and please follow me on Facebook and Instagram.